Hello viewers, today I have a very interesting package in my hands, the right hand of the lithium battery builder, which is a spot welder. This machine was sent to me for free to review it. It does not mean that comment will be only positive. Things which I don't like I will definitely show them and maybe correct them based on my knowledge and experience. The machine comes from China with fast shipping delivery, about 3 days. A quick research which I did seems that the manufacturer makes very high quality electronic tools, so that's why I gladly agreed to check it. The company name called SEQURE and the model of spot welder is SQ-SW1 Mini. Also they was sent me package 3, which is a full package and contains a foot pedal, copper welding pens and automatic triggered handheld pen. Now let's enjoy the unboxing and see what the package contains. Based on the package from that I see, our spot welder have CE, FCC and ROC certifications, which in my opinion is very important. Now operating voltage of the device is from 10 volts to 14 volts maximum. For car lead acid battery can be connected 400 to 800 cold cracking amps. And for the LiPo battery we can connect 3S battery, minimum 5000 mA with 60 C rate discharge. That means short circuit current must be at minimum 300 amps. So for a LiPo battery we can connect more amps as long we do not exceed 800 amps on short circuit. The package includes 3 pairs of copper terminals, small roll of nickel strip, pair of battery holders, a foot pedal, and now the main device, which is quite small and very heavy. Also seems very decent construction, with one little OLED screen, scroll button, 2 XT90 connectors and one DC plug for foot pedal activation. I was very curious to open the device case, so I contacted the seller who asked me to not open the device because of company policy reasons. So I must respect his decision and move the video without looking at the electronics. And under foam we find all the necessary tools for spot welding. Nice and flexible 6 gauge silicone insulated wires for hand tool. One pair of stick welding pens, which are very ergonomic for easy change of terminals. I am very curious to cut the heat shrink to see how they made the connection. Connection has done with a crimping tool. It is very good, but personally I always use extra fill with soldering iron for better connection and for low resistance. On the XT90 connector we have very nice shiny soldering. Nice and clean job. Now let's go to my favorite tool, pressure activated hand tool, and is made on 3D printer machine. Two things I don't like on this tool. One is heat shrink, which is on the limit switch. I believe it will not last a long time, someday it will short the power terminals. And second is the spring, which is not hard enough for me to make a proper pressure between nickel strip and battery. Also, something else which I don't like is the screws of the terminals. I don't know why, but they are smaller in diameter than they should be. So I will put thicker screws. I will do two tests. One will be with factory nickel of 0.1 mm thickness and the other one will be with my nickel strip, which is at 0.2 mm. Here we see very good results with 0.1 mm nickel strip at 4 milliseconds. Now let's try with thicker nickel strip at 0.2 mm and 4 milliseconds. As you can see, our welding was not good, because our welding time is very short. Now, let's increase the time and try it again. The results as we see is good, but not perfect. So, as you understand, we must increase the welding time. As you can see, welding is very good. Here we have more space to increase the welding time, but for me, this spot welds is very good. Another thing that is a little annoying is the slightly short wires. Every time I try to weld, the device gets up and slides on the table. Plus it is very heavy. I will prefer it to have longer cables, at least 10 cm extra length. I would also suggest making a protective cover from the factory foam case of the device for extra protection. Now, let's do some serious tests with proofs. An interesting feature that the device has is when we weld and hold an extra second on the battery of the device, it will pop up a screen with estimated current load through drop voltage on battery. So like that we know approximately how much current has passed from the battery to the nickel strip. Now let's try a pair of stick type of welding pens. Remember to not leave a large distance at the terminals, because this will increase the resistance, with results the terminal will heat up and we will not have good spot welds on the batteries. And again we have perfect results. So guys, I highly recommend this device. To tell the truth, I did not expect such a good results. In future I will do more experiments with thicker nickel strips, and also I will try to find a way to avoid the LiPo battery, because I am not a big fan of battery powered spot weld devices. And last one, if someone want to buy the same device, they can find a link in the descriptions.